In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Wix, a skill that can help you get a better overview of your website layout as you work on it. Whether you're looking to make global changes or simply want a different perspective, knowing how to adjust your view effortlessly can streamline your design process in Wix. Let's start by navigating over to the Wix website editor. For those of you who may not know, the Wix website editor is the platform's main hub where all the editing magic happens. Once you've logged into your Wix account and selected the website you want to work on, you'll find yourself on the editing dashboard. Here, you have access to all the tools you'll need to create and customize your website. Now look towards the upper bar of the editor. You should notice a viewing percentage, often set at 100% by default. This percentage signifies the zoom level currently applied within the Wix editor. It's similar to how you would zoom in or out on a photo to see more or fewer details. If you're unable to spot this immediately, don't worry. It's typically located at the top of the editor, often made prominent so you can change it anytime you need to. Click on this 100% label to bring up a menu of zoom options. By clicking, you're presented with different numerical values, each representing a different zoom level. The values indicate how much larger or smaller the website content will appear relative to its standard size. For instance, selecting a lower percentage than 100 will zoom out, making everything appear smaller within the viewport of your editor. Choose the preferred zoom level from this menu based on your needs. If you're working on elements that require precise adjustments, you might want to see an overview of the layout, in which case a smaller percentage could be beneficial. When you choose a percentage like 75 or 50%, you'll be minimizing the display to see more of your site without needing to scroll as much. This can provide a much broader perspective, especially useful when dealing with longer pages or numerous sections. Remember, adjusting the zoom level in the editor does not affect how your website visitors see the site. It solely alters your view to aid in the design and editing process. So feel free to adjust it as frequently as needed to suit the task at hand. To wrap things up, knowing how to quickly change your zoom level in the Wix website editor can be a real game changer. It provides versatility and control over your editing sessions, making it easier to manage both minor edits and major overhauls. So next time you're crafting your perfect site, don't hesitate to adjust the zoom for an editing experience that's tailored to your needs. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.